Show your teeth. Ay, look what happened to your shirt now. Chaka now. Wait. Not yet, anak. We're waiting for the driver. Okay, let me get a scissor first. Dali, come here. Bah, baho ng basura, nak. Come here, nak. Let me get a scissor first. Init na yung bata. Gusto nang umalis. Wait lang, nak. I know. Gusto niya nang umalis. Wait for daddy. No, trike, nak. No trike. Let's go!
Ma'am, update ko lang po si Sir Pat.
Okay.
Duck. Mama! Duck?
What's that? Aisha? Aisha? Kiss? Did you play kiss?
Sige,
Use this one for her. It's too hot. Sige, ako na po. Thank you. Come, let's go.
How many bedrooms do you prefer, sir?
Which one? Can you take a look the conversation you had with him?
The one that we were conversing with. Yeah.
Mama!
Yes.
Bedroom or two bedroom?
Yeah, a playground. Yeah. Pero yung unit niya talaga asaan?
nasa banda likod.
Sa likod. Okay.
Pakita po namin yung mga ongoing construction.
Okay. Come na.
Upon turnover, this will get finished. So once the unit has been delivered to you, you can actually live on it. So be careful. If you remember here,
Yes na. Come here, knock down na.
Yeah.
we have the lavatory here previously at the model unit inside, and then it's because they took a little bit space on the lawn area. They created another room here, so this could be a room or this could be an office.
I'll give you more. Bata nagutom. No touching, okay? Here. Here. You like this house na? Is it pretty? Oh, smile. Like this place, anak? Ha? It looks cute. Maliit lang yung space niya, pero ang ganda. Ang ganda ng pagka-design. Yan yung kanyang kitchen. Maliit lang. Tapos yung kanilang table. And baby Ayana. No touching, anak. Please. No milk. There's no milk for you here. Ang ganda ng kanilang konting pailaw dyan. Tapos yung dito yung TV na maliit. And where's the baby Ayana? Where's the baby? Baby's there. Ayana's there. This looks good. Pinto to siya. CR niya dyan sa likod. Nilagyan nila ng salamin. Which is good. Yeah. Yeah, Dada. Dada is still upstairs talking. Nandito merong mini room. Ang cute lang din naman. It looks cute. Sige, ako na po. Babe, it's so hot. Where's your umbrella? I have here. Inside the bag. Yes, anak.
So it's 124 square meter lot area. The floor area is
Sa kalikutan ng bata, binunggo yung labi ko. Oh, say hello. Say hello. Ang bata makulit. Ang bata makulit. Ang bata makulit. You're makulit.
Ka!